I'm Paola Frigeria. I'm a project manager here in GES. I worked here for the last 7 years in different roles. First, I was an allocator, then a planner, and in the last 3 years, I'm in the position of project manager, so I followed the implementation of the Centric Planning solution since the beginning. So the journey started back in September 2020. It was a moment in which GES wanted to really invest on new solution and new software to improve the planning team to be more strategic and less operative. Before Centric Planning, our planning team was spending a lot of time exporting data from our retail data warehouse, uploading and updating manually Excel file, checking every time if the formula were okay, if I took all the data or I'm missing some rows. It took a lot of time. This time now is invested to be much more strategic and data-driven in all the decisions. The implementation process went really smooth. We were on time and on budget. With the Centric team, we developed a new module in which, starting from the assortment, we could review the depth of the allocation, store assortment, and then do the initial allocation directly from there. After the initial allocation, we decided also to develop a strategic module for the top management to really work in the system and put their target already in Centric, because we had two different teams, one working on the merchandise planning module and one working on the channel planning module, a different level of granularity, but at the end on the same target by fiscal year, by season and by line. So it was really helpful to have the first estimation coming from the manager, and then the team worked on those targets. After the strategic planning module, we decided also to work on a module called country feedback. So basically we have a merchant team in every country in which we operate, and we share feedbacks with them, especially on the assortment, the selection, the quantities, but also the cluster of the stores. So we developed a specific module for them so that we can avoid sharing Excel file for this, and we have everything directly in the system and real time. The Centric team was really important during the implementation and supported us a lot. The fact that the Centric planning team was really made by planners and team that work in this industry for a very long time helped a lot, because they shared their own experience and also they were talking our same language. That was really important when speaking about business needs, use cases, and also specificity of this business. Centric Planning is fully integrated with our retail data warehouse. All the sales information, stock, discount, margin, future orders are coming directly from our retail data warehouse. But also we have integration with the ERP, for example, for the allocation module, so that the generation of the order is automatic. And also we started exporting data that were sitting in the system that the buyers or the planner were putting in Centric Planning, especially for the assortment, like the month on floor of our product, mood of the product, the clusterization of our product. All this type of information are exported to the retail data warehouse and shared with all the company, especially with the store, for which this information were never really available in the past. I think the Centric Planning solution is that intuitive that even a person that never worked in IT can really lead the implementation. All the users are finding the Centric Planning solution really easy to use. Everything is really looking similar to what they will do in an Excel file, just nicer. So it's really easy for them to move from the old tool to the new one.